Hello, I'm Tony TNT Tucker. Just wrote a book called Fight the Good Fight. How to get up when life knocks you down. Once you go out there and get it, if you're addicted to any kind of thing, drugs, alcohol, I can show you how you get off from that. Even if you got any kind of special events, churches, I come out and speak. You can contact me, and I can show you how to get off these things. I was once heavyweight champion of the world, fought the top fighters in the world, and now being off from drugs and being able to come out and speak to you, knowing how it is to get off drugs, I can show you how to do that. Contact me on my website, call my numbers, and I'll come out to any special events you have, any churches you have. Just remember, through God, all things are possible.